Hello everyone. Welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the steps to generate a location-wise goods receipt note in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in Fresa Application. After a successful login, this is what our dashboard looks like. Now, select the Warehouse module. Choose the goods receipt note under the Warehouse module. On the Goods Receipt Note list page, choose the client name and click the Submit button. Then click the Edit icon. On the GRN View page, click the Report button. From the list of reports, select the Location-Wise Goods Receipt Note. You can now view the Location-Wise Goods Receipt Note. These are the steps to generate a Location-Wise Goods Receipt Note in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.